Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and in this video we will be moving on with the social. So I have added these social links and I will save the changes. Then I will move up to the Facebook. Okay, so it shows add open graph metadata. It is used to add something like if you need a different title for your Facebook page, then you should check this. I would recommend you guys to check this. I will show you what is this later on. Then we have image URL. This image is used if the post does not contain any image. Okay, so it is basically like if I am sharing a page where there is no image in the website, like if I'm sharing this post, then this post does not contain any image except this logo. Okay, so the image won't appear. I can add any different image I want to by adding this, and that image will appear. Okay, so it is a great way to do that. Then we have our Facebook Insights and admins. Okay, so basically what it is used to show the link. If let me show you the Facebook link being shared by. Okay, so this is basically a link that is shared by a person, and here you go. This link is coming, and if I will click, I will be redirected to its profile page. So it is inside the link of the website. So how you can do that, just only go to the admin, click add Facebook admin. Here you have to enter the username of admin name. I will write my name, and then I need admin's Facebook user ID. Okay, so what I have to do, just you have to visit this URL, lookup-id.com, and then you have to paste in your profile URL. I'm going to copy it and I will paste it, and it will tell me if your Facebook name is Tanzilur Rahman, then we found your numeric ID is this. Okay, so I will copy this and I will paste it here, and I will click add Facebook admin, and now this Tanzilur Rahman has been added, and I will click save changes. And now if you want to confirm, then you can visit this URL and you will be redirected to your profile page. Okay, then we have our Twitter. Just make sure that this is checked. Add Twitter card metadata to the default card type use. Then we have our Pinterest. You can verify your site with Pinterest. If you want to create a Pinterest page, then you can do that. Then we have our Google Plus. You can add Google Plus profile page of your website, so you can even do that. Then we have our XML sitemaps. They are very important. Basically, you can find your XML sitemap here. I will look here, and here you go. This is my XML sitemap. You can see generated by Yoast Index. You can do that by clicking here and open linking in new tab, and you will see here if it does not come. Okay, so if your XML sitemap is showing an error, then what you have to do, you have to just uncheck it, save changes, and then you have to check it again and then save the changes again, and then your XML sitemap will be automatically generated. So if it is giving an error, and here you will see your sitemap of the post, your sitemap of the page, your sitemap of the product or your category, and your product category and the shipping class. Okay, so basically what it is used to tell the Google that you have your URL. Like when I will move to the product underscore sitemap, here I will see all the list of the product. Okay, you can see iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, and this URL. So it will give all these URL to the Google, and the Google will index it and give it to the people. So it is a great way to get your website searched by the Google spiders or the crawlers. Okay, then we have our user sitemap and post type excluded and taxonomies. Make sure that you don't mess with it. Well, if you want to, then you can disable the user author sitemap or enable it if you want to. Okay, so now we have our advanced tools, which is breadcrumbs, how to insert breadcrumbs in your themes. Okay, so the breadcrumbs is like this. Let me move to my theme basically, and let me go to the home page. I go to the shop, and this is home/shop. So this is basically what we call as breadcrumbs. And when I will move to this laptop, then we have home, laptops, Acer, which is the category, and then here is the laptop. So this is used to install the breadcrumbs. Okay, so then we have already installed the breadcrumbs in our theme, so I don't recommend you guys to check this. Then we have our permalinks. So permalinks you know already. There are some advanced tools which I don't recommend you until you want to mess with it. Okay, then we have our tools, which is the bulk editor, full editor, and it is used to edit your post. Okay, then when you will install it, and then you can edit all your posts at once. Like you can change your title by coming here, and you can do some messing with it. You can even change your description. Okay, so you can even change your description as well by going to the bulk editor tools. Okay, so now I think so we are done with the SEO plugins, and now we will move to our on-page SEO, about how this works and how you can optimize everything about your website and about your page. So stay tuned, and goodbye.